Now let's see how to create a bucket and make it public. In the Management Console, go to Amazon S3, click on Buckets. Now click on Create Bucket. Type in your bucket name. So I'll just type demo. Select your AWS region. Now scroll down. Okay, so as you can see, this is the public access option. So when you check this box, it means that your public access is blocked. So leave that as it is for now and click on Create Bucket. Remember that your bucket name must be globally unique. So I'll just change my name to Administrator 1 dash demo. Okay. So now scroll down and click on Create Bucket. So your bucket has been successfully created. Now click on your bucket. Now you can upload objects from here. Click on Upload. Add files. So I'll just add some random file here. Okay, I'll just add this image. Click on the image and select Open. So this object has been added into my bucket. Now click on Upload. Click on your object. Copy the object URL and paste it in a new tab. Now you can see that access is denied because we have blocked the public access. So we cannot access it from the public URL. Now go back to your object and click on Open. So when you click on Open, your image is visible because we are accessing it through our user account. As you can see the URL, it says administrator 1 demo. So this means that you're accessing this image through your user account. So that is visible. But when you access it through the public URL, it is not visible because we have blocked the public access. Now go back to your object. Go back to your Amazon S3. You can see the bucket is not public. Let's make it public. Click on the bucket. Go to Permissions. Scroll down. In the public access, click on Edit. Turn off the block all public access. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. Type in Confirm and click on Confirm. So now objects can be public. So now scroll down. Let's create a bucket policy. Click on Edit. Create bucket policies in two ways. One from the policy examples and another you can generate your own policy. Click on Policy Generator. Now in the type of policy, I'll type in S3 bucket policy. Principal, type in star. In actions, select get object. You can select whatever action you want. So I'll just select get object for now. In the Amazon resource name, go back to your S3 page. Copy your bucket ARN from here and paste it in your ARN. Do not forget to add a slash and star at the end of the ARN. This is very important. So just add a slash and a star at the end of the ARN. And now click on Add Statement. Now click on Generate Policy. So copy the policy. So copy this JSON policy and go back to your S3 page and paste it here. Okay, so you have added your bucket policy. Now click on Save Changes. Now you can see that your access is public. Now go back to your objects. Click on your object. Copy the object URL and paste it in a new tab. Now you can see that you're able to access your object through the object URL as well. Okay, so that's it. This is how you create your S3 bucket and make it public.